Hello all, welcome to another video of this series. So with another question. So in the previous video we discussed about question number 1. What we discussed in question number 1 is there was a multiplication of two matrices and it asked us to find out the order of that resultant matrix, right? So this was question number 1. So hope you enjoyed the last video. So let's discuss the question number 2 of this series. So in this question, if A equals to, this is a matrix given and equals to 6i, where I is a unit matrix, then x plus y plus z plus m is equals to how much? Like out of this 4 answer, what is the correct answer, right? So before answering this question, we should have knowledge about what is a unit matrix, how we represent a unit matrix, right? So, unit matrix is a square matrix and we denote it as using a symbol called I of English alphabet. I is a square matrix, and suppose this is the order of m cross n. So I can be a unit matrix or identity matrix if it is a square matrix, meaning where m equals to n. Okay, so if m equals to n, then this will be a square matrix, and except its diagonal elements. Suppose this is a 3 cross 3 matrix I am taking. So this will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So all diagonal elements must be 1, and except all diagonal elements, all other elements must be 0. Then that kind of matrix is known as a unit matrix or an identity matrix. Okay. So whenever we multiply a scalar number with any matrix, suppose I am multiplying 6 with this I. Okay. So 6i, right? So 6 will be multiplied with each of all those elements. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So here 6 will be multiplied with every elements of this matrix. Okay. So now what will be the resultant of this multiplication? So 6 will be multiplied with 1, that will be 6. 6 will be multiplied with 0, that will be 0. 6 will be multiplied with 0, that will be 0. Okay. Then this will be 0, 6 1 just 6, 6 0 just 0. Then 6 0 just 0, 0, and 6 1 just 6. So this is the result, or this is the multiplication of 6 with an identity matrix we got, right? So in the question it has given us that if A equals to this matrix and equals to 6i. Okay, so here, see, here I have taken identity matrix as 3 cross 3, but how I decided it I have to take 3 cross 3 is because if you will see here, the given matrix here it is 3 cross 3, right? This is 3 cross 3. So whenever we are doing equate with one matrix with another matrix, then when can we say that two matrices are equal? Suppose I have a matrix A equals to 4 elements. If I want to equal, or I want to make it equals with another matrix, suppose I am taking here, suppose I have a matrix A, and it is having elements like A11, A12, A13, and A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is a matrix, and suppose I want to make equals, or I am considering this matrix is equals with this matrix B11, B12, B13, like that. So B21, B22, B23, like that, B31, B32, B33. Suppose I am considering this matrix is equals to this matrix, right? So how can I compare, or I have to check every element with the respective elements of the other matrix. Suppose here I have A11, so then A11 must be equals to with B11, like that. A12 must be equals to with B12, like that. A13 must equals to with B13, like that. A21 must be equals to with B21, like that. You can imagine. So every element at its respective position of both the matrix must be equal. Then only we can say both the matrix are equals. Suppose this is B, right? So then only we can say A equals to B. If this condition satisfies, then we can say these two matrices are equal, right? So in this question, A has given x0m yz0006 and it is equals to 6i. So here, because the matrix is here 3 cross 3, so to compare a matrix, suppose here the order is 3 cross 3 and here order is 3 cross 3, then we can compare A matrix with B matrix. Okay, if the order is different for A and it is different for B, suppose A is having order 3 cross 4 and B is having order 3 cross 5, then we cannot simply compare with matrix A and B by looking at its dimension, because here how many number of elements will be there? 12. Here how many numbers of elements will be there? 15. So 12 number of elements we cannot compare with 15 number of elements, right? So that is why in that particular scenario we cannot compare matrix A with matrix B, right? So because in the question it has given the A is a matrix of order 3 cross 3 and I just want to compare with, or I want to make it equal with 6i. So that is why I have taken I here 3 cross 3. I have taken I here 3 cross 3 matrix. Then only we can compare. And it has claimed that this is equal. So I matrix shape will change according to the requirement, because the given matrix is of order 3 cross 3. So that is why I am taking I matrix is also an order of 3 cross 3. Then only I can do the comparison, right? So that is why I have taken I matrix as 3 cross 3 here. So now after multiplying 6 with I got 600060006. That is the matrix I got, resultant matrix. Then I have to compare with the given matrix. The given matrix I have to write it here, x0m x0m yz0 yz0, then 006. This is 006, and this matrix is equals to this matrix 600 060 006, right? So when we say this matrix is equals to this matrix, then every element of its respective position must be equal. So we can say x must be equals to 6, 0 must be equals to 0. Here we don't have any problem, and here m must be equals to 0, right? And y must be equals to 0, and z must be equals to 6, 0 must be equals to 0, 0, here must be equals to 0, and this 0 must be equals to 0, and 6 must be equals to 6. So in this line, every element we have as we needed. So here we have to find it out by comparing the value of y, z, x and m. So if I'll compare with the other matrix, right hand side, RHS side, whatever the matrix we have, if I'll compare with the LHS side, then I will find that x equals to 6 and m equals to 0 and y equals to 0, z equals to 6, right? These are all 4 variable. We have to find it out by comparing both the matrix. And what is the question? The question is, then find the value of x plus y plus z plus m is equals to how much? Okay, so then simply we have to add it, x plus m plus y plus z. So here x is 6, m is 0, y is 0 and z is 6. So that will be 6 plus 6, 12. This is the answer. So x plus m plus y plus z equals to 12, right? So 12 is the correct answer. So out of this 4 option, B is the correct answer, right? So hope you understood this one. If still didn't get, rewind the video and again watch it. So hope you will get the answer. Okay, so hope you will get the understanding and hope you will get the correct answer. So next time we'll see with another question in another video. Thanks for watching and best of luck for your exam.